I look at Lake Michigan not necessarily from the human perspective, but from the perspective of the things that live in Lake Michigan. It's their home. It's home to a whole range of different organisms. Our work is in what we might call the broad area of biogeochemistry, which is an interdisciplinary area. It brings in a little bit of biology and ecology, but it also deals with cycles of energy and material on our planet. Our real interest is the planktonic environment, and so those are the organisms that live suspended in the upper part of the water column. We go to the lake, we make observations, but then we collect water. We take the organisms from the lake, we bring them back to the lab, and we grow them. And that puts us in control. It allows us to manipulate those organisms, to do controlled experiments, and to ask questions about such things as, if the nutrients increase, which species are going to do best? And we're particularly interested in the organisms that photosynthesize, what we call the phytoplankton. The Lake Michigan ecosystem is constantly changing. When you go to Lake Michigan on one day and you find an abundant group of these phytoplankton there, come back the next day, they might be completely gone. So we can do those sorts of manipulations in the lab, make predictions, and then go back out to the field and see over time whether those predictions seem to work or not. So we look at things like how nutrients limit organisms, how they strive to find the nutrients they need to grow and take them up, and also how they modify their physical environment in living and growing. And that's a very interesting dynamic which changes all kinds of things in our ecosystem. Anything that compromises that Lake Michigan ecosystem and degrades the quality of that ecosystem is going to directly affect the quality of life in Milwaukee. I think that's going to be a concern for everybody here.